Hello Biafrans, this is good news to Biafrans. 50 Fulani terrorists has been intercepted in Biafraland. These terrorists were fully armed and they were being transported with Dangote trailers, and the youths in Biafraland have caught up with them. Within some seconds, Nigerian military is driving at the speed of the light to the scene, possibly to release the terrorists. And my question is, why is Dangote trailer always involved in transporting terrorists to Biafraland? If you recall, after this NSAS, you keep on seeing Dangote trailers transporting these terrorists with their ammunition hidden under the trailer. So why is it that Dangote is always implicated in this issue? Does it mean that Dangote is having sympathy for the Fulani cause? Is Dangote involved in this Islamization agenda? What is his business in this terrorism act in Biafraland? If he's not involved, he should be able to talk to his drivers, talk to his managers, and stop this thing. Imagine if an Igbo man or Igbo man's vehicle is being used to convey terrorists to the north. Imagine what will happen. Just think about it. So let Dangote talk to his managers if not involved. Let him talk to his drivers so that they will stop this idea of using his vehicles, his trailers, to bring in terrorists to Biafraland. It must stop. It must stop. Now let me allow you to listen to eyewitness to this event.
Umid, na fugoni here na gan. Anam ne hamufu na report. Onwere nda avurule trailer, about 40 or 50 of them. Ka eji ụzọ ikemla la abata hamufu, abatago already. But kam ja knowledge the bridge move. Because mgbe m hụrụ ha anam le shop, I have to call the attention of CSO Isuzo. And I want everything be okay. That I don't know more now that fight go na have on the job. But within the interval of 10 minutes, now no ammunitions. They made the vehicle trailer, Dangote vehicle. So neji go for there. And that me that are very just 5 minutes ago. That me that I don't know more. Go me rescue. But no boys are blocked or already. You can see over smoke. Ora ngurule kolihu le bridge akeno ameg mo la gba la mero de moto ko mo le baba mdu mala ala gbo ko but the boke no maruju kan do mal no ken ble ame the junction na he no ken na one I know go le eju ko no across that place. So as I'm talking to you now, I know very far, nobody is going closer, so I'm going to hele meli hu there and nobody can cross to that side. But the main thing that you don't know, they are numbering about 40 or 50. So everywhere, every tension everywhere now. Let me this woman, Jileke Hala, Emejike Hayin Lakwato. So you are looking with a poor Umuneke no Lavia, Mondula Bia, Labi Hamuf Monduji, Galagos Labia. You should allow them on the station of change now. They're buying. They're all